Welcome to CarPlay Hacks. Have you wondered if Android Auto can play Amazon Prime Video on your car dashboard? You cannot officially install Amazon Prime Video directly on Android Auto. Don't worry, we have solutions for you. We have software and hardware solutions for that. First, you can use Fermata Auto app to watch Amazon Prime Video on Android Auto. Here's how it works. First, go to the Willpal App Store using this QR code. Now, use these simple steps to add Amazon Prime Video to Android Auto. Explore our hardware solutions. First, CarLinkit AI Box. The CarLinkit AI Box is one of the most popular Android AI boxes for cars. It connects to the vehicle's infotainment system and launches a full Android interface on the screen. Next, Autocast P3 AI Box. You can also enjoy video streaming apps, including Amazon Prime Video, through the Autocast P3 AI Box. Visit our shop.carplayhacks.com website to get affordable hardware solutions for adding Amazon Prime Video to Android Auto. Normally, Android Auto only allows navigation and audio streaming apps, but after using our software and hardware solutions, you can access the video streaming apps. Now you can enjoy Amazon Prime Video with Android Auto. Thanks for watching CarPlay Hacks. Stay tuned for more tips, tricks, and updates. Don't forget subscribe and join our journey.